To send Bitcoin on Cash App, you need to have a verified account and a Bitcoin balance. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device and navigate to the Bitcoin section. To do this, tap the Investing tab on the bottom of the screen and select Bitcoin. If you do not have any Bitcoin in your account, you will need to purchase some before you can send it. To buy Bitcoin, tap the Buy button and enter the amount you want to purchase. You can purchase Bitcoin using your linked bank account or credit card. Once you have a Bitcoin balance, you can send it to someone else. To do this, tap the Send button and enter the recipient's Bitcoin address or scan their QR code. You can also send Bitcoin to someone in your contact list by selecting their name. Make sure to double-check the recipient's address before sending the Bitcoin. As transactions cannot be reversed, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send and add an optional description of the transaction. Review the transaction details, including the recipient's address, the amount of Bitcoin, and the fees. If everything is correct, tap the Confirm button to send the Bitcoin. The transaction will be processed on the blockchain and may take several minutes to complete. It is essential to keep in mind that Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, so make sure to only send Bitcoin to trusted recipients. Additionally, be aware of the fees associated with sending Bitcoin, as they can vary depending on the size of the transaction and the current state of the blockchain. By following these steps, you can easily send Bitcoin on Cash App. Remember to always prioritize security and only send Bitcoin to trusted recipients.